Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. In this video, I am actually going to explain you the meaning of this word Om. Okay? This video is, will be all about the meaning of Om. I am actually going to make another video how you can use this Om word in your manifestation to manifest your any of the desire fast. Okay, it can be expect, it can be love, it can be dream job, anything you can actually manifest faster with this word Om. But before that, guys, you really need to know what is this Om. Okay, see, uh, according to me, what I believe, you only should believe on the things you experience. So before using this word Om in meditation, I researched many things because I had heard so many things about Om that yes, this word is very powerful. uh, you know you know everything, people know everything, people follow everything, but they do not exactly know why they are actually following, because they just have heard something. In this video I will tell you that they have people just go on following something which they have been told, which they have heard. Okay, so I will first of all tell you my experience with this word Om. Okay, this is actually directly connected to spirituality. So I whatever I use, I go with the practical thing. Okay, I research, then I use, then if I experience that thing, whatever is said, I use it. Okay, so in this video I will explain you my experience. I actually started using Om after a lot of research, and then after that research I used it. Okay, then that experience, what I have for the meaning of Om, I am actually going to explain you. Okay, so if you also relate to this meaning, this is very, this is awesome, because whatever I have experienced with this word Om, I will tell you whatever. And if you also experience that thing, then that's, as I said, that's awesome. And congratulations, you are also in this tribe where Om is working for you. Om, I guess, for me, as I have experience, will work for everyone. So let's start. And before that, guys, please subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel for more videos of law of attraction, manifestation, positivity. Okay, I know most of you all are more inclined towards positivity, manifestation, law of attraction for your desires. So just subscribe and click the bell icon. And why I say click the bell icon? To get notified whenever I upload any video, you should get notified. Otherwise there is no use of subscribing anyone's channel if you are not getting any notification of that channel. Okay, if you love a channel, you really need to click the bell icon so that all notification of the videos can come in your notification box, as I said. So what is Om? Guys, Om is a universal sound. It is actually a sound of God. Okay, this I have researched, I had also researched. Okay, this is, but what is my experience? My experience is awesome about this Om word. Okay, it actually gave me positivity, it actually relaxed my mind. I am quite I was actually quite not in a good position when I actually started law of attraction positivity. This is why I actually started law of attraction, to create positivity in my mind, for manifesting positivity in my mind, because I was in lot of anxiety at that time. So I also researched about Om. I got this meaning. This is a universal sound. Okay, it means, what is universe? It is God. Everything is God, guys. Whatever you see around is God. Okay, this universe is God. Everything is God. Okay, God has no form. It is just a white light. It has no form. Everything, not only white light, everything is created by God. Everything is God. In everything is God. Okay, and the sound of God is Om. Okay, it is a universal sound, it is a world sound, it is a nature sound. Whenever, it is my experience, whenever I chant Om, it relaxes my mind. it actually gives me relaxation here, okay? When you feel fear, anxiety here, okay, you feel so heavy when you are so negative, okay, about anything. So Om word actually creates positivity, relaxes your mind, relaxes your body, okay? It actually is a very powerful thing. Even in this video where I chanted, this Om word, I actually felt relaxed. You can also go on, reverse this video. I guess I'm saying this right, and you can chant it with me, okay? It will actually give you relaxation, comfort here, and positivity, okay? It is a universal sound. This is why it is a universal sound, okay? This actually connects you with whole universe, and this whole universe is all the living beings here, all the plants, animals, human beings, everything, okay? It is God, everything is God. So it is actually going to connect you when you chant it. It is actually going to connect you with the higher frequency. What is that higher frequency? That is God, okay? And what is God? God is all love, positivity. It is a source. That white light is a source of love, positivity. Whenever you will chant it, why it will relax your mind, why it gives you freedom from anxiety, why it relaxes you, because it is giving you that positivity, love. So Om is also a source of love and positivity. Why? Because it is connected to higher frequency, and higher frequency is nothing but love and happiness, okay? Yes, this is why Om is actually used in every ancient mantras in India, okay? In India, if you are Indian, you know this, okay? That almost every mantras have Om initially. Om is initially used in every mantra, in every Lord's worship. Whenever you see whatever Lord you worship, okay, every Lord is just one higher frequency, that white light, okay? So it actually Om, every mantra is actually starts with Om, okay? First of all, you have to get relaxed and connected to higher frequency, then you can chant any mantra, okay? So yes, Om is a really very powerful word. I have also written, it is basically very powerful, peaceful, peace giving, and sound of, as I said, universe. It is a basic sound of the universe. It connects you with the universe. I have written with so much emotion. It connects you with the universe, nature, all the living being, as I informed you earlier. Yes, it also improves the concentration. You will experience it whenever you are chanting Om. What you are doing, you can just hear, you will only concentrate on this word. This is so relaxing word that you will have only concentration on this word. And this is why here we get that awareness of being in present, and this is why we get relaxed. This is my experience of this word Om, okay? So yes, Om, what is Om? This is the universal sound of the God, of the higher frequency, I can say, which we call God, okay? Why? And God is everywhere, everything is God, we are all God. So we get connected because of this Om chanting, okay? Because this is the sound of the higher frequency. It relaxes you, the stress, anxiety, everything, it actually falls down, okay? Whenever you chant Om, it gives you relaxation, especially here. It is my experience. It gives me, when I am sometimes negative, the pressure actually comes on my chest, okay? So chanting Om, it actually relaxes my chest, okay? So yes, it is very powerful in that. It is very positive word, okay? Why positive? Because it is a universal sound of God, okay? And God is love and positivity, all happiness. So yes, my experience is Om is a very powerful word. It actually helps in relaxation, okay, and with relaxation we can manifest anything. So I will actually explain you how you can use this Om word in your manifestation in my next video, so stay tuned, okay. And also subscribe again and click the bell icon for that notification of that video. Thank you so much. I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.